Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a business flyer on Canva. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up the official Canva website at canva.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. In the upper right corner, you'll find the login button. If you don't already have an account, just create a new one. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can access all your sections and projects. Now, let's go ahead and see how to create a business flyer. It's very easy and only takes a couple of clicks. What you want to do is go to the upper left corner and click on Create a Design. After clicking that, a new menu will open with options like Document, Whiteboard, Presentation, and so on. If you scroll across, you'll find an option that says Flyer. Click on Flyer or simply go to search bar and search for Business Flyer. Here, select appropriate option and it will open a new tab where we can start creating. As you can see, this is the flyer page where we can begin by choosing templates, selecting the style we want to use, adding elements, text, and much more. If you're seeking some structure, you can start with a business flyer template and add your own creative twist. Find bright, eye-catching templates or classic, minimalist templates. Click the design you like to add it to your page. Explore millions of illustrations, stock photos, images, icons, frames, grids, charts, and other graphics. Use the photo effects feature to apply filters and make your design pop from the page. Design with colleagues using the collaborate feature. For a more personal touch, upload your own photos, images, artwork, or branding elements. Mix and match elements from different templates. Try out different color schemes and backgrounds and keep personalizing your design until it fits what you're looking for. Once you put the finishing touches on your business flyer, you can download it as a PDF or share it via email or social media. Make high-quality prints of your design at home through Canva Print. So that's basically how you can make a business flyer on Canva. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.